Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to navigate Corporate Governance module with CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Before we start, let me show you our Module Navigation tabs feature used to switch among modules that you subscribe to. There is also our Screen Navigation tabs feature, that's the horizontal bar on top of the page, and the Highlight tab indicates which of the three screens you are on. Entering the Corporate Governance module will take you directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections, General Search and Refined General Search. Start by selecting a date range and adding companies to your search criteria. Smart Peers is also available in this module. For a tutorial on using the Smart Peers, please visit the video. You can also use Index, Exchange, or SASB sector as filters. You can also select in which format you'd like to see the data. It's divided into reports and datasets and visual analytics. For a tutorial on using the visual analytics, please visit the video. Back to the search screen, you can use specific filters from the Refined General Search section. These include auditor, financial metrics, and more. But it's not necessary to input any search criteria to access the reports. Once you have a click on Go, you'll be navigated to a report list screen window that looks like the one shown here. On the top left of the screen, you can view the report catalog and the number of reports you can explore under the Corporate Governance module. You'll find the reports and datasets grouped by trending topics, such as Corporate Governance Overview, Board of Directors, Cybersecurity Oversight, among others. Information data points covered in each report is available by click on the eye icon. Use the search box to find the reports that contain the data points or information related to the words you type in it. You can also edit your search criteria by click on the Edit Search button located to the right of the search box. Select a report to view by click on its title. This will take you to the report screen. When you first open a report, you'll be in the Overview tab. The Overview tab, if no search criteria were selected, overview information will be provided at an index level. You can also choose to display the data by SASB sector, exchange, and compare to any of these groups. To do this, use the drop-down menus at the top of the page. Data points are clickable and will take you to the data view, where you'll be able to see the underlying information of each data point. Source links are also provided in this view. To switch between Overview and Data View tabs, you have to click on the appropriate tab. You can also sort the data by ascending or descending order, or filter the rows by contained, not contained, equal, among other options. The Select Report Data Point to View drop-down menu allows you to add or remove any data point to or from your report. The Edit Search button will return you to the search screen to modify your selection of companies. Further information about the data points is available by click on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also change the data year to check the data for different years. Finally, the information in this module is available for exporting by click on the orange Export button at the top right of the screen. Thank you for watching another of my Logic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.